Hello guys, so this is the fourth problem in our TIFR's problem solving series, and this is the fourth problem from section A of TIFR GS 2010. So the question we have here is: consider a very thin wire of uniform circular cross section. The diameter of the wire is of the order of microns, so the correct equipment required to measure the precise value of this wire is what? So we have four options. In four options we have four different instruments. So which combination of these instruments will accurately give us the uh, idea to measure the resistivity of the wire? So resistance, we know it depends directly proportional to length of the wire. That means the more you take a lengthy wire, the resistance will be high, and inversely proportional to the wire, that is more thick the wire, less is the resistance, and more thin wire will have more resistance, right? So and because obviously because of less diameter of wire there will be more collisions, so the current will decrease in unit time. So if we remove this proportionality constant, we get something which is known as resistivity, and resistivity is equals to resistance into area of the cross section by length, right? Now this resistance, we know again it's V by I, which is voltage by current. So to measure voltage we will need voltmeter, to measure current we will need ammeter. So these two are must. The next thing is that we need length. So to measure length of the wire, definitely we need a scale. So voltmeter, ammeter and scale, you see we already have option A and D with us. Now the thing we have to check, do we need slide calipers or do we need a monochromatic laser to measure this area of the wire? That is the only term left with us. So obviously to measure area, we have to use slide calipers because it has a outer jaw and inner jaw that we know. From the inner jaw we try to measure the inner diameter, with the outer jaw we try to measure the outer diameter. So like that we can use slide calipers to measure this wire. So the correct option will be option A, right? Now I did another small calculation. This is not related to the problem, this is just out of my curiosity, because in a micron level wire, what will be the accuracy of the, I mean, what will be the accuracy if we measure that kind of a wire accurately with a laboratory, with a laboratory caliper? Because the calipers that we use in our lab in school or college, it has usually a least count of 10 to the power minus 4 meters, which is basically one main scale division is 1 millimeter, and vernier has 10 divisions, so that gives us that least count. Now what I tried to measure is that what will be the error if we tried to measure this kind of a wire accurately, and of 10 to the power minus 6 meter diameter with a normal laboratory caliper, and this is giving us 100% error. I mean, this is obvious, you cannot get to that level accuracy. So the least count of this of suppose we want to make a vernier caliper with which we want to measure this kind of a wire diameter. So the least count of that kind of wire will be 10 to the power minus 9 meter, which is very very small, right? So with that you need to adjust some things, like what we can do is, at most the vernier can be, I think, increased in this sense, but anyway, it's just a measurement that I wanted to do to check what will be the values. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will upload the next problem soon. Keep sticking around with Bhautik Shastri. Thank you.